So if you're considering the GLE and the GLS, what sets these cars apart from each other? I would say overall, these are very similar. It just comes down to what you need and what your lifestyle is. With the GLE, I would say that this car is very comfortable. It has a very sporty styling, which this is part of the AMG line package if you want. You don't have to get this. You can also get the luxury line, which is a little bit more softer on the lower portions of the car. Moving on the inside, actually the interiors are very, very similar. When it comes down to screen real estate, when it comes down to steering wheel styles, all that stuff, it's very, very similar. Staying on the interior of the car, when it comes down to seating, that's where this really sets the two cars apart. On the GLE, you can get 3 rows. However, it's not really designed for 3 rows. So whoever goes into that 3rd row might be a little bit more cramped than if you get into this car. Also, when it comes down to seating, the rear bench is only a bench. You can't get captain's chairs, where on this car, you can get captain's chairs, which is that pass-through in the center. On the 3rd row, I would say that this is a very good place to be. I'm 6 feet tall. I could probably sit back there for a 2-hour-long car ride and be just fine. Moving on to the trunks of these cars, I would say that if you opt for the 3rd row on this car and you have a full car, it might be a little bit more cramped in the storage compartment. Whereas if you fill up this car with all 3 rows all filled and then put stuff in the back of the trunk, you're gonna have a lot more space on this side. When it comes down to ride and handling on these cars are actually very, very comparable. This car, you can opt for air suspension. However, this car comes with it standard. You can also opt for an AMG line if you want on both of these cars. You can start with a GLE 350, that's a 4-cylinder. You can go up to a GLE 450. And then you can also go up to the GLE 450H or E, which is our hybrid model. This car comes standard as a mild hybrid, so if you don't like the plug-in part, you also don't have to have that too. And then moving past that, we have our AMG lines, which we have the 53 model, and then we have the 63 model, the top dog in this line. On the GLS, also mild hybrid system. You can get a 450 to start off, you can get the 580, which is a V8, and then if you want an AMG, something a little bit more sporty and a little bit more glued to the road, you can get the 63 model, which is the top dog. It's gonna be the fastest SUV that you can get in Mercedes-Benz lineup. So if you're interested in either one of these cars, you can come down to Mercedes-Benz of Burlington. We're gonna have both of these cars available for you. We have amazing leases and financing options. Come see us here at the Line Auto Group.